In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix JavaScript void0 error in Google Chrome on Windows 10. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, move to the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. Next, in the main area of the page, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome stores permissions for websites, such as access to notifications, pop-ups, and JavaScript. Since the JavaScript void0 error is often related to script behavior, this is the area you need to check carefully. Now scroll down until you reach the Content section. In that section, click on JavaScript. Make sure the option called Sites Can Use JavaScript is selected. After that, scroll to the bottom of the same page and look for the Not Allowed to Use JavaScript list. If the site is blocked in this list, Chrome may prevent it from working correctly, which can trigger the error you are seeing. If you find the site listed there, remove the block so the site can use JavaScript normally. This simple settings check often resolves the issue quickly. That covers everything you need to know.